Hi there, it's Denise again, and today I hope you've been saving your cardboard tubes, kitchen roll, toilet roll, because we're going to make something, we're going to make a wee bowling game. So I've managed to get 4 different kinds. So I've got a really small one, just an ordinary toilet roll one, big skinny one, and that one, that's the biggest one. So first of all, what we're going to do is, when we get them, now I've decorated, I've coloured this one in, a wee bit of colouring in on it. If you're going to colour them in, what I would suggest is put a circle right in the middle so that you don't colour that bit in, because you might want to do the whole lot. And then in that circle, since this is my smallest one, I would mark a score of 5. So I've got my next one up, it's this one, and I've taken a piece of A4 paper and just cut it in half. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to roll, I'm reusing things that have been written on, so I always like to do that. And I'm just going to stick this one down and then roll it up, another wee bit of sellotape at the other end, just like that. And then I would put, this would be my score of 10. You can do whatever marking you want. I've decided that this would be 5, this would be 10, this would be 25, and this one would be 50. So, but you can do whatever score you want. There we go. So that would be my 10, and this one, that's the big one, I said that's going to be my 50. Now I've left these quite plain, but I think it would be nice if you coloured them in. So the next thing we do is we're going to place this. There's some I've prepared earlier. Hope you can see that. So I'm going to put this one at the back. That's my score of 50. And now it's up to you. You'd be able to use a teeny tiny ball. I think I'm going to use my Batman ball and see if I can get a score. You ready? You all good? Not bad. I managed to get the big ones at the back. So that's what you do, and then you have to add up your scores and see how well you do. So now we come to the points. So for if you give me a wee comment on what you thought, that would be 20 points. If you make your own bowling game, that would be 50 points. And I'm feeling really good today, so I think maybe we'll decide on the most imaginative bowling designs, and you get 100 points for that. So good luck and get to it. Bye.